crystal growing science kits. So let's begin. Get a 68 milliliter of water. Take number 1 bag and then cut it with a scissors. And then pour more than half into the measuring cup. And mix the solution gently. Take a cup with 60 milliliter of hot water and pour it into the measuring cup.
Let me help you.
Slowly. If you don't want to get burned, and nicely mix it. And place the stone in the growing cups. And now pour the solution in the growing cups. We open bag 1 powder and gently sprinkle it into the growing cups. Your crystals will start growing in just a few hours. You can use magnifying glass to check the process. Or your flashlights. Since I did my science experiment, and the crystals look amazing. My crystals feel hard and they look amazing. And they also look beautiful. Have a happy holidays. Bye-bye.